Welcome to sunny Siem Reap, Cambodia. Today we're heading inside the best supermarket in town, Angkor Market. This place is a favourite for locals and expats alike, and in a city where there are really only two proper supermarkets, this and Makro, it's a goldmine for imported goods, snacks from home and fresh produce. But just how much does it all cost? I'll be comparing prices here with what I'd normally pay back in the UK. So if you're curious about the Siem Reap cost of living in 2025, stick around. You might be surprised at what's cheaper and what isn't. Right, so first up, pharmacy. A well-stocked pharmacy. Let me see if I can find something I'd normally buy and check out the prices compared to Axe. So Axe is the equivalent of, oh my word, what do we call this in England? Africa. Links. That's what we call it in England. $3.30 here. I'm going to call that £2.80. So that's probably just a touch cheaper than it would be at home. That's not bad at all. Something like this is $6.50. No, that's more expensive than it would be at home. That would be about £2. So about $3, less than $3. How comes Axe is so cheap? Let's see if we can find something else that I regularly buy. I don't see any familiar names. Panadol Extra. They sell them by the strip, $1.20, so just under £1 for a strip. Reasonable, I suppose. It's not terrible. Here we go, toothpaste. The bare essentials, toothpaste. Just a standard, cheap as they get, Colgate. So the cheapest Colgate I can see is $3.95, $4. McLean's $2.95. Signal $2.95. Oh. Dearer than at home.
My love, you know, like some rather nice looking cakes, $5. Not bad. Numpang. Cookies, croissant, French stick.
Cookie? You want cookie?
Cookie? Oh no, not for me.
So this is where you come if you want your Western style food, your frozen pizzas, Chicago Town, Goodfella, Aunt Bessie's Yorkshire puddings, Iceland jumbo sausage roll. This is the place to come if you're not keen on Khmer food. But the prices are expensive. 10 fish fingers, $7.50. That's extortionate. Well, I suppose it has got to come a long way to get it. Co-op. So they sell Iceland food and co-op food. No, I don't want to buy any of this. I'm just looking, seeing what the prices are like. They're quite expensive. Bernard Matthews mini Kievs. And frozen fruit. Oh, how much for a cornetto? Let me see. I don't actually have cornetto. Oh look, something I recognise. Dairy milk. Magnum Classic. How much for a Magnum Classic? Magnum Classic, $2.50. What's that about? Just under £2. Ham and let's see if I can see. They don't have the one I would normally have, and I think if they did it would be expensive. Fish sticks, $1.50 for 20, I'm going to say that is. Not bad. Well, they certainly give you value in terms of size for their slices of ham. Massive. Nifty little idea. You get all your vegetables and your meat in one handy package. That's not a bad price either. $1.90. You got pork mince, some veggies. Nice. The meat and fish. Pork belly. Let's see how much this is. $2.94. 5 pieces. I'd pay £3 for 8 pieces. So it's comparable, but maybe a little bit more expensive. Black chicken. Lobster medium, $15.95 a kilogram. I'm not sure that's what I'd call a lobster. I'd call that a very large prawn. But there you go, that's me. Two large carrots, 98 cents. Is that good or not? I don't know. I don't buy a lot of carrots. I don't like them. Green peppercorn. What on earth is this? Pumpkin. Oh. Slightly different from the pumpkins I see at home. All your green veggies. There's all your potatoes. Wow, and onions. Look at the size of this boy. That's a big old onion. Thai garlic. Tiny little garlics. Moving on, all the different chili sauces. There are a few. Everyone likes a bit of chili sauce. And oyster sauce. And fish sauce. And soy sauce. And teriyaki sauce. You need sauce, this is the place to come. Old El Paso, a regular tortilla, $4.90. I'm gonna say no thank you. I'd say these apples look delicious. Can't see a price on them. Oh yes, I can. $5.95 for 3 apples. Move along. Mangoes. They must be cheap. I see mango trees everywhere I go. 84 cents for 3 mangoes. That's what I thought. Cheap as chips. You want a bottle of wine, my love? You want a bottle of wine? No, I didn't think you did. Size of that avocado, massive. These are the same shape and size as bananas I'd have in England. $2 roughly for 6 bananas. That's about double the price I'd pay. Cheese, I think cheese is expensive. Just as well you don't like it. More ham. Here. 55 cents for a 600 milliliter bottle of original Coke. In England, that would be about £1.50. Wow, I'm impressed. 35 cents for a 390 milliliter bottle. That's really good. Same with a Pepsi, 35 cents. How comes we pay so much? .5 litre original Coke, $1.20. Wow. Or for $1.30, this must be 2 litres, 2.25 litres. That's incredible. Suddenly I think at home I'm being ripped off. Jars of jam and preserves. Between $3 and $5 a jar. Oh look, Co-op again. And Hartley's. Hartley's $5.50 for seedless raspberry jam. That's expensive. Creamy peanut butter. 340 grams, $2.50. Sensing a theme. Things are expensive. Chocolate. Not as bad as I thought. $4 to $5 a bar. Reasonable sized bars. Okay. $333 grams. Mars bar minis. $7.95. I'm going to give up chocolate. Heinz salad cream marked up in English pounds at £3.35. For sale, $5.90. I'll let you do the maths on that. I'm guessing $60 and my wife says $50. We'll see who's right. Very good, they pack for you and everything. Very impressed. So let's check out the price. My wife wins $54, but it was close.